Built on the proven Delta platform, the Delta laser drill machine offers the combination of innovation, flexibility, and affordability. The fully enclosed programmable laser allows for ease of managing multiple recipes for one machine, with a product output average between 50 to 60,000 per hour. The laser system penetrates the outer coating of a tablet to a predetermined depth and diameter. It can work with round or oblong tablets, caplets, or canister LCTs. The swing arm touchscreen HMI is complete with intuitive user-friendly software and is 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. The Delta laser drilling machine high-performing vision inspection rejection system ensures quality control throughout the manufacturing process. Changeover between products is effortless with quick-release carrier links that are removed and reinstalled using only one tool in less than 30 minutes. Osmotic drug delivery is now user-friendly.